Many DoorDash users are experiencing a frustrating problem where they get stuck in a login loop, repeatedly redirected to the login screen despite entering correct credentials. This issue affects both iOS and Android users across all app versions and has become increasingly common since DoorDash's security infrastructure upgrades in 2024 and 2025. To understand why this happens, we need to look at how the authentication process works. When you log in, the app goes through several steps to verify your identity and maintain your session. There are two main categories of problems that cause login loops. First, session management issues occur when the app cannot properly maintain your authenticated state. The second major cause is two-factor authentication conflicts. As DoorDash has enhanced security measures, 2FA-related issues have become more common, including expired tokens and synchronization problems. These login failures create a frustrating user experience, as shown by these typical error screens that users encounter when authentication systems malfunction. Understanding these root causes is essential for resolving login loop issues. Whether it's session management problems or two-factor authentication conflicts, identifying the specific cause helps determine the most effective solution. When facing DoorDash login loops, start with these basic troubleshooting steps that resolve most issues quickly and effectively. Clearing the app cache removes corrupted data that often causes login loops. Logging out of all devices resets your session state, while updating ensures you have the latest bug fixes. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your account, specific troubleshooting steps can resolve authentication conflicts that cause login loops. SMS delays and authenticator app synchronization issues are common causes of login loops. Always ensure your phone number is correct and your authenticator app time is synchronized. Network connectivity issues can prevent proper authentication. These network troubleshooting steps help identify and resolve connection-related login problems. VPNs and restrictive network settings can interfere with DoorDash's authentication servers. Switching networks helps determine if the issue is connection-specific. For persistent login loops, advanced troubleshooting involves resetting app permissions and authentication tokens to restore proper functionality. Resetting permissions ensures DoorDash has proper access to device features. Regenerating tokens creates fresh authentication credentials that bypass corrupted session data. If login loops persist after trying these solutions, DoorDash support can provide specialized assistance and investigate server-side issues that may be affecting your account. The in-app help center provides direct access to DoorDash technical support specialists who can investigate account-specific issues and provide personalized solutions for persistent login problems.